CCTV, Wi-Fi, IP and solar cameras, electric fence and barbed wires for your barriers, GPS trackers for your vehicles, intercoms, walkie-talkies taking you far, inverters, batteries, solar power shining bright with comfort, network boosters keeping signals tight, hotel card locks, energy saving switch, biometric systems and vehicle speed limiters. We make life safe, rich and easy. Stanificent Global Technologies Ltd. We secure your world. Oh, yeah. Tech solutions for everybody, from sales to training. We give you the best. Hostels and retail sales, supply installation, maintenance, after sales support and training. Call us today. Forget all the rest. Oh, call our WhatsApp 0906 415 3746. Oh, or reach us on 0903 450